Hello friends, today we are going to design a simple logo within 2 minutes. Let's start. First take an ellipse. Make stroke at 40. Now press and hold Alt drag the ellipse. Now select Type Tools and type S and H. Now align S and H with ellipses. Select all and go to Object Expand and press OK. Now using Shape Builder tool, make shape. Now select Color by Fill. Select one part, then Effect Stylize Drop Shadow and press OK. Similar with S, make drop shadow. Now take a rectangle with size 1920 by 1080 pixel. Align with artboard and send to back. Now change the color by using eyedropper tool. Finally, our logo is ready. Thank you everyone.